Hi, this is Burr Stewart, and welcome to part 93 of my continuing series of model railroad operations videos. Today, we're just going to enjoy a 4-engine train of forest products hauling down from Burlington, Washington towards Everett, Washington, and just enjoy a simple run-by with some interesting cars as well as these locomotives. The locomotives you saw in a recent episode heading the other direction. Today, we've hitched these locomotives onto a train built for southbound destinations. And right here, we're crossing through the south switch at Burlington and about to head over the Skagit River. That log car with the stump on it is taken from a prototype photo. Sometimes stumps were used to make very elaborate posts in lodges and things like that. We saw one of these being hauled in a logging road photograph, so we made a model of it. Isn't that cool? Now, in the inset, you can see the train heading across the Skagit Valley while the rear end of it is still in Burlington. This is also the same on the prototype, where right after the Burlington Yard southbound, the main line goes across the Skagit River Bridge. I'm not sure why that flat car is empty, the bulkhead flat, but normally you'd see it full of plywood or lumber, some kind of wood products. Now the engines are heading through the forest that's south of Burlington. And here's the Stillaguamish River Bridge. This beautiful SP&S F unit on the head, followed by, I think it's an XNP Jeep, maybe GN, a regular GN Jeep, and of course the Alco C636 that we were working on in the last video. As you can hear, there's a grade crossing coming up here by the Delta Y, and now we're approaching Everett. Here's the Snohomish River Bridge, and the train is entering into a tunnel portal, which was required by the very demanding physical nature of my layout complex. Let me get one last run by here. We have the log cars, several of the thrall door box cars, a cement load, water tank car, oil tanks, more oil tanks. And these last two box cars I just put on the railroad last week, which is why they're not weathered yet. And they came from the Sioux Line Historical Society and the Great Northern Railway Historical Society. The caboose is an Ed Austin brass model that I really like. And for now, that's all for this train and this video. Hope you watch others. And this is Burr Stewart wishing you much fun with trains.